623. End of month, coming up, end of month. Do we get an end of month round and then back down? Don't know. Little move into the end, and then we see. Okay? Interesting. Stocks go up, stocks go down, now back up again. Yesterday, think about it. Yesterday we're down 60 and we went positive by 30. 60 and 30. That's 90 points. Today we're up 24. Do we go back negative? Maybe. The news is not great. The news is not great today, okay? But they're treating it as great, which is very interesting. That's okay. You play what you see, you get in, you get out, you trade them fast. If you don't trade them fast, you're going to get butchered. You're going to get butchered. That's the market you have, okay? Today, snow, huge upgrade. It's driving everything. It's going to drive NOW. That's going to go up very nicely to open. Then we see it's going to drive MDB up. Watch snow. If it goes back under 131, everything reverses back down, okay? Tesla, bad news, up on bad news. But, it's, you know, the Adam Jonas thing that he cut the target to 1,200, but that's probably a good thing because it shows it can still go up, what, almost 100%. So that's why it's up. It needs 736, okay? SPX up 24, add 24 to this. You're at 4784, 4785, 3784, 3785. There's 3800, very, very hard. Tried to get through yesterday over and over and over again and got knocked down. So today, if it gets through 3800, you may get around. If it doesn't, you collapse right back down. Okay? Have to be closer to the money, and you have to trade them. NVIDIA up 2, needs 172, under 159, bad. Lam Research up a little bit, needs 442, underneath 419, bad. Avago up a little bit again, needs 506, 511 accelerator, under 491, bad. Meta just sitting there doing nothing, under 151, bad. There's no good in it. CrowdStrike can't seem to get over 172. 172. I have Enphase back on the screen again. If it can get to 200, then we see. PNW trying to get through 508, 509, got there yesterday and then back down. Then we see. Zscaler needs 156. Isn't these interesting? The premiums and all of this stuff that came. PNW closed at 194. The 520s are $1. They're 60 cents to $1. 25 points out. 25 points out a month ago were $2.50. 2 months ago, they were $7. They were $7. And now they're 50 cents, 60 cents. Know that. Because he doesn't see second waves of buyers. What does that mean? Second waves of buyers. That means if you buy stuff and then it stops, it doesn't go again. That's what that means. Okay? Interesting, right? Interesting. Then we see. And NOW 1472, a big number. Snowman 136, 141. MDB 282, a big number. Apple, all about do they warn? Do they warn this week, next week, 2 weeks from now, 3 weeks from now, or they don't? All about that. Shop split coming next week. Something for you guys. You have a split date. And you have a record date and the day that happens. Now, there's a lot of amateurs out there that don't understand stocks, and they talk stupid stuff. They're like, oh my God, if you bought Shop yesterday and you held it, when it goes down, you'll still own all the new shares. No, it doesn't work like that. All that means is, let's say, and I'm going to make it a programming way, let's say Omid owns stock and it's in his account. Well, there's a number correlated to that. Say I don't know, a 50-digit number. It says that stock, that 50-digit number is going to split. So if you had one share, you're going to get 5. I'm just making up stuff. Okay? Now, if he sells that stock, that stock then goes to somebody else that bought it, and that number now is in that other guy's account. So that guy gets the stock. That's it. It's very simple. You don't get to make money on the split. Nobody does that. If somebody tells you this and you believe it, you should quit trading. There's no world in anywhere, just because of some record date, that if you bought Amazon at 1,000 and it splits and it goes to 100, you get to keep the 9 shares and you sold the 1. That doesn't happen. Okay, guys? Really, get smarter. Okay? Get smarter. And that's just insanity that people even post this stuff on Twitter. It's just fascinating to me. Google, been up a little bit. It's up again. 2,300. Split coming next month. Then we see. Okay? Tesla, 736. So does it get through 736? UPST doesn't move anymore. Pretty much done. Okay? Will probably be off the screen ever. And MicroStrategy, if Bitcoin collapses, this goes back lower. FedEx earnings, Cummins, their earnings. This is very interesting. They raised their dividend and it took off. The PE is getting better compared to UPS, but there's less deliveries. Shopping is probably less. The numbers getting, and then they have a fuel problem. Okay, so keep an eye on that. Coin. Think about coin. It's just holding. At some point, it's going to completely crater. I don't know when, but it's going to completely crater. Just wait, and then we see under 48 is bad. Okay, comments, questions. Tesla and new plants are losing billions. Absolutely. Muscle-latest comments were interview dated May 30th, exactly. May 30th, May, June. Yes, agreed. Very interesting. So is he setting up for a miss on earnings? Very interesting. Maybe that's what he's setting up for. And then he guides up. I don't know. Then we see. Everybody have a great trading day. See you in chat.